Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a reminder clip for the beginner class at the Kenn Centre on the 11th of October. We did an arm jive, a man spin, a yo-yo and an octopus. If you need teaching information, there are links to the teaching clips in the description below, and this will show you how everything went together. We started off man's left, lady's right for the arm jive, and it went 7 and 8. Off of the hand, pulling left, right to the shoulder, turn and face, return for the man spin. We went through and caught right, return for the yo-yo, across the chest, out, flat, turn and switch to the left, return 2 hands for the octopus. Guys in front, then ladies in front, then guys in front, and ladies in front, and we ended up 2 hands ready to go back into the arm jive. Hope you find that helpful. We'll be back next time with another modern jive clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end in one of the little boxes that comes up in the last few seconds of the video. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.